Experiencing issues with your HP Thunderbolt dock not recognizing your mouse, keyboard, or other USB devices? You're not alone. This video will provide a step-by-step guide to resolving these common problems, focusing on driver and USB port fixes. We'll cover the most effective solutions as of January 2026. Before diving into complex solutions, let's cover the basics. First, ensure all cables are securely connected between the dock, your laptop, and the peripherals. Try different USB ports on the dock and directly connect the mouse and keyboard to your laptop to rule out faulty devices. A weak laptop charger can also cause issues by not providing enough power to the dock, so ensure adequate power supply. If these simple checks don't work, proceed to the next steps. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a primary cause of recognition issues. Use the HP Support Assistant to check for and install the latest drivers for your dock and Thunderbolt controller. This tool automatically identifies and updates necessary software. If HP Support Assistant doesn't resolve the issue, consider manually downloading the latest drivers from HP's official website, ensuring they are compatible with your operating system, Windows 10 or 11. Sometimes the USB controllers themselves need a refresh. Open Device Manager by searching for it in the Windows Start menu. Locate Universal Serial Bus Controllers in the Device Manager window. Expand this section to see the USB hubs and controllers. Right-click on each entry related to Thunderbolt or USB and select Uninstall Device. This process can resolve driver conflicts and enumeration failures. Restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the drivers upon reboot. The dock's firmware must be synchronized with your laptop's BIOS to prevent peripheral recognition issues. Firmware updates address compatibility problems and ensure proper USB enumeration. Visit the HP support website and search for firmware updates specific to your Thunderbolt dock model. Use the Software and Driver Downloads section to find your model. Download and install any available firmware updates for both the dock and your laptop's BIOS. Ensure you install updates for both components to maintain synchronization. Follow HP's instructions carefully during the update process, as interruptions can cause serious problems and may require professional repair. Thunderbolt docks depend on USB power delivery to provide power to connected devices. When power is insufficient, USB ports struggle to recognize peripherals like mice and keyboards, causing intermittent connection issues. Verify your laptop's power adapter delivers sufficient wattage. Using a higher wattage adapter can provide more stable power, preventing USB port starvation. If your dock has its own power adapter, ensure it's securely connected and working correctly. Faulty dock power can lead to the same device recognition issues as insufficient laptop power. For more stubborn issues where peripherals still aren't recognized, try booting your computer into safe mode. Search online for instructions specific to your Windows version, such as accessing it through the troubleshoot menu during startup. In safe mode, Windows uses only minimal drivers, helping to isolate any conflicts. Connect your dock and peripherals. If they work here, a third-party application or driver is likely the culprit. Additionally, some HP Thunderbolt docks have a reset function. Consult your dock's user manual for the specific reset procedure, which may involve holding a button or using a pinhole reset. Resetting the dock can clear any lingering configuration issues, restoring it to factory defaults, and potentially resolving peripheral recognition problems. Looking ahead, future docks will support Thunderbolt 5 and USB 4, aiming for universal plug-and-play compatibility. HP is focusing on modular designs and AI-driven diagnostics to preemptively resolve issues. Keep your dock's software updated and consider upgrading to newer models for enhanced compatibility and fewer headaches. Check for compatibility issues with Apple's M-series chips if using a non-HP laptop, as HP docks are primarily designed for Windows.